Core Web Vitals, a look at new Google UX measures. About a year ago, Google announced, we believe that providing information about the quality of a web page's experience can be helpful to users in choosing the search result that they want to visit. Google's in the business of recommending web pages to its users. Web page developers want their pages to get recommended. In May 2021, Google will begin using a set of 3 measurements known as Core Web Vitals to decide page ranking. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO, is the practice of trying to make your web page rank higher for Google. It will be up to designers and developers to consider Core Web Vitals when they create new pages. They will also be reworking old pages to meet the new criteria. Google doesn't want to recommend websites with a bad user experience. You can think of Core Web Vitals as measures of a website's health, much like heartbeat, blood pressure, and respiration are measures of human health. Look at what these measures are. LCP, or least contentful paint, refers to how long it takes to load the largest image or text block into the viewport. The viewport is the part of the page that we see in the browser. Google is looking for this to happen within 2.5 seconds. FID, or first input delay, or the time it takes before the user can interact with the web page, should be under 100 milliseconds. That's 1/10 of a second. CLS, or cumulative layout shift, is a measure of web page stability. As a page is rendering, items may shift. It's up to the page developer to lay out items on a page in such a way that there is not a lot of shifting. This measure is simply a count of unexpected shifts. Ads can cause a lot of shifts. This value should be less than 0.1. It's a measure of distance moved and impact on the user. Web developers want their pages to score well with Core Web Vitals measures. The first step is to get measurements for the page. There are many options available. For this situation, we are using a website at URL https://web.dev to report these measures. All you have to do is enter the URL of a page you want to test and run, and click Run Audit. It takes a couple of minutes to run all of the tests, and the results include a Core Web Vitals. We're seeing the results for a popular web page, the landing page for Amazon.com. We can see that LCP measures 3.3 seconds, which puts it into a needs improvement category. Time to inactivate is 16.1 seconds, which puts it into the poor category. Finally, cumulative layout shift is 0.004, which puts it into the good category. You can experiment with these measures on your favorite website and see how well they perform. If you scroll down on the measurement page, Google will give specific actions you can take to improve the performance and Core Web Vitals of your web page. Remember, Core Web Vitals will be used for ranking starting on May 21st, 2021. It's a good time to start measuring and update web pages to improve user experience.